lecture for exercise 12.3 class 10. Today we are going to do question number 6. So in the question number 6, what are the questions? Let me read out first. Question number 6, in a circular table cover. So this is nothing but a circular table cover, okay, of radius 32 centimeters. So what is the radius of the circular table? The cloth, that is 32 centimeters. So we have written radius of the table cover, that is R equal to 32 centimeter. That is OA, OA, OB, OB and OC is equal to what? 32 centimeter. Triangle ABC, this is a triangle ABC. So this triangle is an equilateral triangle, okay. It is given in the questions. Designed in a form of leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. So this is the equilateral triangle in the middle. Now they are telling us find the area of the designs. So when you will see into your textbook, there is a design, the diagram given. In the diagram, designs is given, but I have not given the design here. You can refer your textbook for the questions. Okay. So what we have done by our own, what we are going to do, what we have done, we have drawn OL. This is OL perpendicular to BC. We have drawn OL perpendicular to BC, which is an angle. This OL is nothing but it's an angle bisector. This angle is, whole angle is 120 degree. Since we have drawn OL, so the angle is divided into 60 and 60. Bisector of BOC. This is OL is angle bisector of BOC, and this angle becomes 60 and this is 60, as well as perpendicular bisector of BC. This OL is angle bisector as well as perpendicular bisector of BC. If it is a perpendicular bisector, then BC will be divided into two equal parts, BL and LC. So we have written that is, therefore BL equal to LC equal to what? Half of BC. And OB, that is OB is equal to OC. Why? Which is this OB and OC is the radius of this tablecloth, that is the circle. So OB is equal to OC, then angle B also will be equal to angle C. Why? Because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Now in triangle BOC, we are taking triangle BOC, this triangle. We know that sum of the three angles is how much? 180 degree. So angle B plus angle C plus angle O is equal to 180. Angle B and angle C is equal. So in place of C we can write B. So angle B plus angle B, and angle O is already given in the question how much? 120 degree. So we have written 120 degree is equal to 180. So these two, if you combine, it becomes 2B is equal to 180, and this 120 will come this side, so minus it. So 180 minus 120, it becomes how much? 60. And these two, it is multiplication. If it comes this side, then we have to divide it by 60. So 60 divided by 2, you will get how much degree? 30. Angle B and angle C, you are getting how much? 30 degree. And angle BOL will be 60. COL also will be 60, because OL is an angle bisector. So these are the basic things in the question number 6. Now there is another part for these questions, a little bit it is lengthy. So now let's first take it down this one, then we will continue with question number 6. Okay. Now going to continue with question number 6. So now whatever things we have got, with that things we can say that angle OLB and triangle OLC, this is a congruent triangle by which relation? RHS, right? Okay, by which relation? RHS congruency. Okay. So after that, what we are doing in triangle OLB, so we are taking here cos theta. Cos theta will be equal to what? Curly brown here, base by hypotenuse. So what is here? Base, and this is what? Our hypotenuse. This one will be what? Base, and this one will be hypotenuse. So cos 30 degree, what is the theta here? 30. So we have written here cos 30 equal to BL, and OB is what? OB is nothing but radius. It is already given. What is that? 32. So now what we are doing, cos 30 value, we are putting it what? Root 3 by 2 equal to BL by 32. So this 2 and this 32 can be cancelled, it will be 16. So now what we are doing, we are doing cross multiplication. Here nothing means 1. So BL into 1, BL, and 16 into root 3 will be 16 root 3. Okay, now we know that BL is 16 root 3. Then what will be the BC? BC is nothing but a double of BL. So we have written BC is equal to twice of BL. So which will be equal to 2 into BL. BL value is how much? 16 into root 3. So 16 into root 3. So multiply it, how much it will come? To 32 root 3. So the side BC value is how much? 32 root 3. Okay, now what we are doing, therefore the area of the design, so area of the design will be what? Area of a circle minus area of a equilateral triangle. So whatever is left, this will be the required area. So area of the circle minus area of a equilateral triangle. Area of circle formula is what? Pi r square minus area of equilateral triangle formula root 3 by 4 side square. So pi value is how much? 22 by 7 into 32 minus root 3 by 4 into side is how much? We got the value 32 root 3. So 32 root 3 into 32 root 3. So if you multiply and divide it, you will get 3218.28 centimeter square. And here if you multiply, divide and put the value of root 3, you will get 1328.64 centimeter square. If after subtracting, you are getting 1889.64 centimeter square. So that means the area of the design is how much? This much, which is our required area. Now you can take it down. In this question, with question number 7, we are going to do, what is the question? Let us read. ABCD is a square. So ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. So what is the side of the square? 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and 14 centimeter. The side of the square is 14 centimeter with center ABCD. Okay, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. This is circles. Okay, so if this one will be the circle, this is 14, then up to here it is the radius. So it will be what? 7 up to here, 7 here, 7 here, 7, and here also it will be 7. That means the radius is how much? 7. Okay, so we have written here, given side of the square ABCD is equal to 14 centimeter, radius is equal to what? This is 14. So if you divide it by 2, then it will become what? 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So radius is 7 centimeter, and we know that the angle of angle of the square is how much? 90 degrees. So we have written here 90 degrees. Now area of the shaded regions. So these regions we are going to find out shaded regions. So what we'll do, from the area of the square we'll minus the area of these 4 sectors. Okay, so area of the square minus area of the sector into 4. Okay, because there are 4 sectors. Okay, that's why. Okay, so now area of the square is what? Formula is side square, and area of a sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square into 4, because there are how many sectors? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sectors are there, so that's why we are writing 4 here. So side is how much? 14. So 14 square minus 4. Theta is how much? 90 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7, and radius is how much? 7. So we written 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. 0 0 cancel. 9 4 is 36. 4 4 cancel. So what is left? The 22 into 7. 22 into 7. 2 7 is 14. 2 14 115. And 14 square is 196. So if you subtract it, you will get how much? 42 centimeter square. So this is your answer for this questions. This question is also asked in your board exam several times. So I request all of you to understand it properly. If you don't understand, watch the video again and again. Okay, now let us move to the next questions. Okay, question number 8, students, I want you to do by yourself, try it by yourself. Question number 8. Okay, now let us move to the next questions. Okay, you will be trying by yourself. In question number 9, what is the questions? A, B, and C, D are the 2 diameter of a circle. This is a circle. The diameter of a circle is AB and CD. Okay, of a circle with center O. The center of the circle is how much? O. Okay, perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of a smaller circle. So this OD is the diameter of this smaller circle. This AO is perpendicular on CD, and this AB is also perpendicular on CD. So AB perpendicular to CD, AO perpendicular to CD. It is already given. So the radius of the bigger circle is given how much? 7 centimeter. So the radius of the bigger circle, that means from here to here, O to C, O to A, O to B, O to D, is how much? 7 centimeter. But the radius OD, it will become what? Diameter for the smaller circle or not? So in order to find out the radius of the smaller circle, OD is the radius of a bigger circle, but diameter for a smaller circle. So in order to find out the radius of the smaller circle, if we divide OD by 2, you get what? 7 by 2. Okay or not? Or else you can write it like this. R is equal to OD divided by 2, which is equal to 7 divided by 2, 7 centimeter. So the radius of the smaller circle is how much? 7 by 2 centimeter. Hope this is clear. Now we are going to find out the area of the shaded regions. As you can see, these are the shaded region. So from the area of the circle, if I subtract area of a smaller circle plus area of a triangle, then you will left out will be what? Area of the shaded region. So we are written area of the shaded region equal to area of a bigger circle, that is this one, minus area of a triangle ABC. This triangle we are subtracting it, plus area of a smaller circle. This is the smaller circle ka area, so we are plusing it. Now area of a bigger circle, pi r square, capital R is the radius of a bigger circle, so pi r square minus, you'll put the third bracket, half into base into height, area of a triangle formula, plus pi r square for the smaller circle. These two, if you subtract it, you will get the shaded regions. So we have written 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cancel, so you will get 154 centimeter square, area of a bigger circle. Now half into base is how much? This diameter will be how much? The radius is 7 and base full diameter will be 14. So 14 into 7, that is the height O to C. Okay, this is half into base 14 is how? This is 7, this is 7. So combine it, 14, and this is the height 7. Plus radius of area of a smaller circle, pi 22 by 7. Radius how much we got? 7 by 2. So we have written here 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 7 cancel, 2 cancel, 11. So 49 plus 38.5. If you see here, 3.5 into 11 we have multiplied, we got 38.5. If you add it, you will get 87.5 centimeters square. Area of triangle and area of circle, this area is this much. Okay, so this area of triangle and area of circle will subtract from the area of circle, then you will get 66.5 centimeters square, which is our area of the shaded regions. I hope you understood it. This is very easy questions. Now let us switch to let us go to the question number 10 quickly. 10. Okay, so question number 10, it is said the area of equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter. So this is equilateral triangle ABC. It is given in the questions, though area is this much. So since it is equilateral triangle, all the angles will be 60 degrees. So theta equal to 60 degree we have taken. They have not given the side AB, BC and AC ka value they have not given. So we are going to find it out. How we know area of equilateral triangle ABC equal to this much, and formula for that is what? Root 3 by 4 side square. That is the formula for area of equilateral triangle. So we have written root 3. So we have written here root 3 by 4 side square. So this 4 it will go and cross multiply. So I have written here, and this root 3 is what? It is a multiplication relation. So this side if it comes, then it will be divided. So what I have written, all 7320.5 into 4, and root 3 value is what? 1.73205. So this is how many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here decimal place is 1. So if I cancel this 5 decimal place with 1, how many decimal places will be left? 4. So downside 4 decimal places will be left. That one I am writing it as 10 to the power 4 here. Okay, upside. So I think you know this. If you are removing the decimal, you have to upside, you have to multiply by that much 0. So into 4, and this decimal is also gone. So this and this one can be cancelled. So what is left? 4 into 10 to the power 4. So this square, if I bring it this side, it becomes square root 4 into 10 to the power 4. So from here 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 2 will come out. 4 square root is how much? 2. So if you multiply, you will get how much? Side is what? AB, BC or CD, CA side is how much? 200 centimeters. So we got the side of the equilateral triangle 200 centimeters. So this is the side of the equilateral triangle. if this side ka half you will do, that is the radius of each circle, right or not? So r is equal to side by 2. That means the radius will be equal to half of the side. Side is how much? 200 divided by 2. So you get radius how much? 100 centimeter. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Now we are going to find, they are asking us to find the area of this portion, shaded portion. So for this, what we are doing, area of a triangle minus area of these three sectors. So area of the shaded region equal to area of a triangle ABC minus 3 times the area of a sector. 1, 2, 3. 3 sectors are there, so 3 into area of a sector. This area of a triangle, is already given, so we have written what is given in the question minus 3 into area of a sector. Formula is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta 60 by 360 into pi by 22 by 7 into 100 into 100. So 0 0 cancel, 6 is the 36, 3 2 the 6, 2 11 the. So you have multiplied all this and divide by 7, you will be getting 15700. So if you subtract it, you will get 1620.5 centimeters square, which is the area of these shaded regions. I hope you have understood it. If you understood it and if you are getting a benefit with this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe my channel, Kumar sir. Okay, so that because your likes will encourage me to do better in the coming days. Okay, so I conclude here this video, and in the next video we will be completing this chapter. Thank you.